And yet, in 2020, Apple may not release 4 new smartphones, but 5 at once. The last representative of the quintet may be the updated iPhone SE, tentatively named iPhone SE2. Analyst Ming Chi Kuo, very rarely mistaken about the timing of the premiere of Apple's new products and their characteristics, predicted that the presentation of the iPhone SE2 will take place in the first quarter of 2020. The smartphone, in his opinion, could replace the currently sold iPhone 8, since he will get his appearance and more modern iron at a similar cost. Experts of the 9 to 5 Mac resource believe that at the start of sales, the price of a smartphone in the 32GB version of the internal memory can be in the range of $350 to $400. The screen size of the iPhone SE2 can be 4.7 inches, which is noticeably smaller than the smallest 5.4-inch iPhone 12, predicted by analysts at JP Morgan. Nevertheless, it is likely that the first Apple premiere of the new strategy will be held annually in March. The company has experience in the release of new gadgets during this period. For example, the first generation compact iPhone SE was released in March 2016, and in March 2019, Apple released the 5th generation iPad mini tablet.